Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Sell for Fun. I have received today several packages and we'll go ahead and open one of them. See what's inside. Oh, super! I did not expect the box to be that small. This is LED bulbs. They're supposed to be brand new, but kind of torn. I can inspect the lights for the fingerprints. It's nice. Something like this in alpha zone is above 5 hours a second, up to 90 hours a second. I think it's 3 days 90 or 99. There we go. This one is 120, but I love it a little bit research, which one is the best. The GLK 50, and I think now is a some person. There's lots of reviews online about this, and there's some compares. So definitely, and then this one is 6500, and this will at H7, so mine's H7. All right. Let's see what I have in other boxes. Cases for the phones. This one SM, this one SM. And shouldn't glass is on its way. Yeah, we're still using extensions. And this one is wireless headphones. And with a review on those model in another video. And smartwatch.